cozy house, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms and the guest toilet. Plenty of space for the kids to play in the garden, outside and in the paved area, in a very safe complex. It's a really great buy. Come and have a look. Cozy entrance with plenty of space outside, paved space. Children can play and ride their bikes here in a very nice safe environment. Beautiful plants here. Now we're entering into the house. What is really great about this house is you have multiple living areas. Immediately to the left of the entrance is the guest toilet. Everything, well, the toilet is in a great condition. From the entrance you walk into the formal lounge area with a fireplace, a really beautiful cozy room, and then we led into the dining room, and from there you go straight into the kitchen. And the kitchen is beautifully renovated, lovely cabinetry, plenty of packing space and multiple ovens. So let's walk into the kitchen and have a look. There's also a breakfast nook, big countertop, which is a granite countertop. Lots of cabinetry, built-in also wine racks, drawers, double oven here, and an electric top, space for a double fridge, and leading into the scullery. Back through the kitchen, walking towards the dining room, you will find another lounge area. So that's a second TV lounge area, which added with the other formal lounge and with the upstairs pyjama lounge makes this 3 indoor living spaces. Outside of the house there's a nice deep patio with space for a very large 10-seater table plus soft furniture, and the built-in braai. Cozy garden, landscaped and low maintenance. Perfect space for the kids. Climbing up the stairs you see the double volume window and the stunning chandelier. The window brings in the outdoors and the natural sunlight. Going up the staircase you land into the upstairs pyjama lounge. There's a linen cupboard as well, and the pyjama lounge has access to the beautiful large balcony, in which you can also access from your master bedroom. To the left of the staircase there are 2 generous bedrooms. This is bedroom number 1. You can see there's a queen size bed, plenty of cupboard space, and a lot of natural sunlight streaming in from both windows. There's also space for a desk out of that bedroom, and right next to it is the shared full bathroom. Very nice full bathroom shared by the 2 bedrooms upstairs. Now we're entering the second bedroom. Also lots of natural light here, also queen size bed and plenty of cupboard space. There's even space for a couch here. And across from the 2 bedrooms sharing a full bathroom is the pyjama lounge with access to this stunning balcony we're going to see shortly, and the master bedroom. The master bedroom has laminate wooden floors, really beautiful space, king size bed here, lots of additional space, walk-in closet, doors on both sides, so quite a lot of packing space, and a full bathroom. Shower. The bathroom is the same style as the other shared bathroom, a big corner bath, double basin, and plenty of additional packing space in the bathroom. So when you add that with the walk-in closet, there's quite a lot of packing space here. The master bedroom also gives you access to the balcony outside. Nice spacious balcony, scenic view